Quick thoughts lang, no? Recently, I've been shooting my videos kasi in point and shoot style or approach. As in set up lang ng konti, record, rekta upload. So, bakit? Kasi if I keep aiming for perfect, wala talaga akong mapopost. This helps me to avoid overthinking and procrastination. I just show up and do what needs to be done. And hindi siya fancy kasi wala namang mga b-rolls, walang matinding transitions, minsan raw lang talaga, may mali pa, pero genuine naman. And for me, okay na yon. I'd rather be consistent than stuck chasing perfection, pero wala namang output. And syempre, this setup doesn't work for everyone. Iba-iba rin tayo ng workflow. This just happens to work for me right now since I am still improving myself. And if you're like me, struggling even to start, try simplifying. Baka kasi kailangan mo lang is to press record and go. So that's it for today. And if you learned something, you can leave a like and follow for more.